Welcome back to my channel. I am knee-deep in packing for a family vacation near a lake where we can enjoy some hiking, a lot of outdoor time in the Adirondack Mountains, some time on the beach. And so I am gathering all of my belongings together, and I think I have some great tips and items for you to consider if you're going on a lake vacation this summer. Let's get started. So I have some fashion choices that I'm going to show you in the second half of this video, but I'm going to start right off with a lot of just general items that I think would make for a really great vacation on the beach, with the lake, with everything that we need. So the first thing that I really want to talk about, I think, is a beach bag. Now, this kind of a beach bag is great if you have little kids with you and you're going to spend some time on the beach and you have to pack sand toys and all kinds of other things. These are really terrific, and they are kind of a plasticky material, and that's why they'll go so well. They have little holes in them in case water gets in, sand resistant, really easy to clean, and gives you a lot of space. Now, I got this one in a pretty blue. I got this one at Marshall's, and I know that I've seen them in Marshall's and in TJ Maxx. I also got a smaller one in this pretty little pale blue, and I have them both packed so that we can put them in and take them down to the beach to kind of hang out and have some fun. So that's the first thing that I would suggest if you are going to have to walk a little ways to get to the beach, and if you have little ones with you, this type of a tote is a great choice. Now, inside I have, of course, a beach towel. And I also have this little bag. I love these. I found these last week on Amazon, and I've seen them before. I'll see like beach across the top, but they're always really colorful. And I guess I just was looking for something that was a little more me, a little more my aesthetic. So I loved this clear one with the beige trim, kind of looks like a little rattan trim, and it's got a little bit of gold styling here. This one says sun. They also make other ones that say beach, skin, hair, so that you can put all of your belongings in them. But let me show you what I pack in my little bag like this. First of all, sunscreen, okay? Now, Shiseido sunscreen is my very favorite, but it is very expensive. I have found, though, that you can a lot of times snag these in Marshalls or TJ Maxx for half the price that you will pay if you're buying them in Ulta or on Amazon. But I love this brand for me, for me. For the little ones and for other people in the family that are really sensitive, I love this beach defense one. And this is a really small one that I love. I put this one often in my car. It'll fit in your purse. If you're ever somewhere where you didn't expect to be in the sun and you need a little coverage, this is a great one. I also always pack some wet ones in my sun bag, because when you get the sunscreen on your hands and then you touch your electronics, you can get it all over everything. Don't forget your lips. This is a Blue Lizard lip balm that's got some SPF in it, because that you can really get a burn there. And I don't know if you have ever enjoyed the brand from Beauty Pie, but I love their products. And this sunscreen here, which is called Soul Science, it's 50 SPF, is a zinc oxide filter, and this one works really well, especially for your face. So those are the things that I have in my little bag to take with me to the beach, mostly sunscreen items. But since we're talking about them, I do want to share with you a couple sunless tanners that I have really been enjoying. Now, I'm very serious about protecting my skin from the sun. This is the sunless tanner I've been using for most of the summer. It's almost gone, actually. It's a bronzing water mousse by Saint Tropez. This gives me really nice color. However, there are a couple others I think are well worth mentioning. This Isle of Paradise face tanning drops has a peach undertone to it, which if you have any trouble with your face with blue lines like I do, I've got some veining, and it's really hard to cover that up. Even normal makeup doesn't cover it really well. With the peach undertone, this does a nice job of seeking to semi-camouflage it. I'm not going to say it totally gets rid of it, but I do think that this helps. And another item that I think that is really nice is this Tanologist Sunless Tanner that is a firming gradual tan lotion. So if you have any problem with crepey skin, this one is really designed to address that. So all of these items are available on Amazon, and I will have the links to all of them in the description box below. Now, Another great thing that you want to remember when you are on a lake vacay is insect repellent. So in my clear little bag like this, I have packed, yield off. I like the clean feel kind, and it lasts pretty good. But the real thing that I wanted to show you is this item here, which I personally am like a insect magnet. They love me. Something about my body chemistry. They love me. And when I get bit, it's really itchy. I mean, really itchy. And so I really kind of have a reaction to it. So, and my daughters do as well. So I don't know if you've ever tried this called the bug bite thing, but this really has been a game changer in my life. What you do is you push it down and you pull it against your skin where you have your bug bite, and you pull up on this. And as you pull up on it, you will feel a suction. And of course, there's a very simple concept behind this. The concept is basically it sucks the venom out of your bite towards the surface. And then I usually put like a little bit of afterbite on it, or some kind of a Benadryl type cream or something there. And honestly, the next day the swelling is gone and I don't even notice the bug bite anymore. You do have to kind of get it as soon as you can. And this works best when you can get a very flush against your skin. If it's like on a knuckle or something and you can't really hold it, the suction doesn't work as well. But this is available on Amazon. I actually think I've seen it in Target as well recently, which I ordered mine on Amazon. A great thing to throw into your bag if you are going on a lake vacation. Now, I am not really roughing it. I would never say that. We are staying in a place that has air conditioning and a kitchen that we can use and these kinds of things. So that's awesome. But when we do go down to the beach, or if we're going on a nature walk or on a little hike, we're going to need some snacks, especially the little ones. And my grandchild, I think, is really going to love this snack set from Gobi. And it's kind of like a little game. Now, it doesn't fit a lot of anything in it, and it's really small spaces, but it's got 5 little spaces. And what you do is you press this little button and it goes to a certain section, and then you can open it up, and whatever is in that section you can snack on, and close it up. So this is great to put berries, which is her favorite thing in the entire world, maybe animal crackers, goldfish crackers, Teddy Grahams. Small snacks like that will fit in here, little pieces of cheese. So you can kind of pack her a little sampler pack when we head off to the beach and when she needs some sustenance. I think she's really going to love pressing the button and seeing where it goes and what there is to eat in that little container. She's just barely 2, so I think this is going to be a really fun thing for her. But for the rest of us, I love this one. Both of these are available on Amazon, and this one comes right up. It has a little round handle, and it seals really nicely. So you have 8 of these little containers. So you can put little fruit, cheese, crackers, cookies, whatever it is that you seem to like. You can put them all in there. And then you have a little sampler pack, and it seals right up really nicely. I love these containers that seal with these little things here because they make it really tight. And I love, love, love that. And it even has like this part here is a little round handle that you can use if you want to carry it. So I love this thing, and I think this is perfect anytime you have to go somewhere. If you have a bunch of family members, this is going to be great for us. So there are just a couple things that I really think you want to think about. 2 other things that you definitely want to think about are beach chairs and maybe a beach umbrella. So here are 2 that I found we really love. Here are a couple great choices from Amazon. A lot of companies make these beach chairs, which sit very low to the ground, and they have kind of a backpack, a feature on the back of them so that you can carry them hands-free. Although I've had several, I do love the Tommy Bahama ones. They're colorful, bright, and I've had mine for probably 6 to 7 years, and it's still holding up great. On the right-hand side, we have a very popular item from Amazon, a beach umbrella that sticks into the sand and provides you a little sun coverage from there. These and other items will be listed in the description box below. If you like this kind of content, would you do me a favor and like this video, share this video, leave me a comment? That really does help the algorithm and helps me to grow as a channel provider. Another thing that you're really going to need if you're going to spend any time on the beach, I think, are one of those beach blankets. Now, they are usually sand resistant, and this one by Weekapoo from Amazon is a great choice. I'm showing you here on the side a picture of how big this item is. It's really huge, but look how tiny it fits into this little tiny bag and goes right in your beach bag. So I think that that's going to be awesome. And you don't want to be sitting down in the sand. Another thing that you want to probably think about, maybe, hope you don't need it, but it's always good to have a first aid kit. And I found this brand from a place called Keep Going. Now they have a lot of, I chose this cute little chic cheetah print, if you will, but they come in all kinds of fun prints that are kind of childlike too. So, and I thought they're really pretty and colorful, and they have in them, a lot of great things that you're going to need in terms of like hydrocortisone cream. They have some little band-aids, and they're cute because they're kind of child oriented. And you can add some more for you in there too, because there's nothing here that doesn't have a cute little monkey on it. They have alcohol pads, antibiotic, lip balm, some burn gel, just some really cute little things in here to have. They even have, actually, this is actually really good, a tick remover, which I think is just so important if you really got to watch out for those ticks, because Lyme disease is no joke. And so I really love this little one, and this is going in my bag as well. Now, the beach bag that I showed you before is great for families if you have children and things like that. But if you are not traveling with children and you want to be a little chicer, I love this one. This is such a really pretty bag, and it folds up flat for anywhere you're going. It comes in a couple different prints, but I just fell in love with this black and kind of rattan colored one. I think that this looks so elegant. Like it costs a lot more money than it did. Now this purchase was, I think, in the $60 range. So not cheap for an Amazon product, but I've already used it a lot. And I just think it looks so chic, especially if you have like a black bathing suit or a black cover up, really anything. It looks great. And then the other thing that I wanted to show you, I am taking with me 4 bathing suits. Okay, 4 bathing suits. And each of the bathing suits I have put in one of these little containers. These containers are also available on Amazon. I kind of wish I should have gotten the next size up, but they fit in here if I kind of stuff them in. They're also great for a wet bag if you have a wet bathing suit and you need to put it back in something. You don't want to get the rest of your clothes all wet. But I love each of my bathing suits, you can see, are in one of these bags, which makes them really easy to find and to see. And especially if you have a 2-piece bathing suit, which I'm not bringing a 2-piece bathing suit on my vacation, but I think for children especially, like I know my daughter just said that she lost or can't find the bottoms to one of the suits that her daughter has. She has the rash guard, but not the matching bottom. So if you put them both in this little bag, you'll always be able to find them and see them really easily. So I loved that tip for just packing and going off on a vacation. So speaking of what I'm wearing and the suits that I'm packing, I'm going to transition now into the fashion part of this video. And I'm going to try to go really fast because I don't want the video to get too long. But I've got some great fashion choices to take with me. Here we go. This 2-piece set available on Amazon has been one of my favorite this summer. I love the full coverage on this swimsuit, and I absolutely adore this light colored skirt which goes with it, coordinates with it. Perfect for giving you a little more coverage on the beach, either walking to the beach or if you're just playing on the beach with your grandchild. Now, our lake vacation is going to coordinate with the 4th of July, so I've included a lot of blue and white stripes in my suitcase and also a little splash of red here and there, including this one-shoulder, full coverage swimsuit available at Target. I love the cutout feature. I think it's a really classy suit which provides you with full coverage. I love how it looks underneath this 2-piece set available at Land's End. This features a long crocheted skirt and a long oversized linen overshirt on the top. Great for grabbing something to eat at the restaurant, for lunch when you're on the beach. And it also could be a really nice outfit for going out as well. Now, I'm taking 4 bathing suits on my week-long lake vacation, and I never go anywhere without a simple black one-piece swimsuit. This one here is my absolute favorite from Amazon. I absolutely love the way this looks chic and classy. It provides you with full coverage in the front and in the back, has an interesting back. And although it looks very chic, as it's shown here, it also is a great suit if you want to go kayaking or paddleboarding or any kind of active water activity. It's shown here with a sarong on the left side and underneath a blue slip dress from H&M on the right. And the fourth swimsuit that I'm bringing is a simple white one here with a cutout in the front. This was a very much a favorite of mine last summer. I got it at Loft. It is no longer available on their website, though they do have similar items on the site. I love it underneath this cover up, which is just a long striped shirt available on Amazon. I will link it in the description box below, but when I checked last night, they didn't have the stripe anymore, but they have a variety of solids and a couple other prints as well. This vertically striped pair of drawstring lounge pants is available at H&M, and honestly, this was a surprise to me. I have worn these so much. I slip them on in the evenings when I just want to be comfortable, and I thought this was a really cute look over the top of any one of the swimsuits that I'm bringing pretty much, and I love it with this navy blue sweater over the top in case it gets a little cooler. The sweater is from Loft. This pair of wide legs denim pants are from Halara, and they were featured in my previous video. They are incredibly comfortable and very chic. I love them with this off-the-shoulder, simple red top from Old Navy. Very simple outfit, really says 4th of July. And I think the best part of it is this cute little crossbody bag over here. I definitely look for less. I just think it's adorable, and I'll be wearing this most of the week. What I love about this crochet knit dress trend is the fact that you can throw this into your suitcase and it does not need ironing when you take it out. It's just like packing a sweater. I love this white and blue one available at Loft. You can never go wrong with stripes if you're looking to achieve a look that is casually elegant. And I love this sleeveless one with a collar available at Amazon. It's available in several different color combinations, but I think this looks really nice with a pair of cutoff denim shorts. Also, a vertical stripe in a faded red and blue, a vertical stripe pattern is a really nice touch to have. This shirt you can use to layer over the top of some of the swimsuits. It would look particularly nice over the red or the white one. And it also looks really great over a pair of denim shorts. This one's available from Maurice's. Nothing says a lake vacation like a great fitting pair of jeans. And my very favorites are this one from Levi's, available on Amazon. They are a skinny fit with a higher waist. They are really stretchy and extremely comfortable. I'm styling them here with just a simple white tee and splashing it up a little bit with a scarf. A two-piece set like this one is a great choice to throw in your suitcase because it gives you a lot more options. You can wear the shorts or the shirt together separately. You can create a lot of different outfits here. I love this powder blue one because I really love the way the stripes on the shorts cut diagonally in contrast with the vertical stripe on the top. It is a great two-piece set. I would order a true to size. Don't go up because it seems like it is oversized enough as it is. Looks great here with just a pair of chunky sandals for just about anything, lounging around after a day in the water, or you can definitely head out and do some errands in this. And that's a quick summary of what's in my suitcase. Well, there's a couple other bags in my car besides my suitcase, but those are the things that I'm packing for a week at the lake. I hope that you're going to have some time to get away a little bit, and that I've given you some good ideas for some things that you might pack to make your family vacation the best that it can be. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next week.